First up, get ready for some incredible numbers as Bangladesh's ready-made garment exports are surging to major markets. We're talking significant growth that's defying expectations and setting new records. This is huge for global trade and a massive win for the industry. Next, hold onto your hats because Bangladesh Bank is gearing up to launch a game-changing, unified instant payment system. Imagine all your banks, mobile services, and digital wallets working together seamlessly. This is about to transform how we handle money. Then, we dive into the future of finance with the extension of application deadlines for digital banks. This is your chance to be part of a revolutionary, branchless banking experience. Could this be the dawn of a new era in financial services? And finally, we're tracking critical discussions between Bangladesh's RMG exporters and a visiting U.S. Trade Representative delegation regarding tariffs. This could have major implications for international trade and market access. Stick around for all the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bangladesh's garment industry sees major export surge. Get ready for some seriously impressive numbers as Bangladesh's ready-made garment exports are showing robust growth in key global markets. In the first 2 months of the current financial year, FY26, the country raked in a staggering $7.13 billion from RMG exports, a significant jump of 9.63% compared to the same period last year. This momentum is a direct result of soaring demand from major brands and retailers worldwide. Our top markets are leading the charge. The European Union, our biggest destination, saw earnings climb by 6.6% to $3.4 billion, accounting for nearly half of all exports. The United States, our largest single country market, experienced an even stronger surge of 12.33%, bringing in $1.44 billion, despite ongoing tariff concerns. Even the United Kingdom is showing fantastic growth, with a 15.51% increase to $882.62 million, and Canada is up by 13.69%. While Germany, our top EU market, saw a slight dip, the overall picture for traditional markets remains incredibly strong. And it's not just the usual suspects. Our non-traditional markets are also contributing, with an overall surge of 10.44%, reaching $1.14 billion, driven by countries like Japan and India. This sustained growth highlights the resilience and increasing demand for Bangladeshi garments on the global stage. The garment industry is buzzing with this positive news, with exporters citing strong brand demand as the primary driver. Analysts are watching closely to see if this trend continues, especially with the focus on expanding non-traditional markets. Don't go anywhere, because the financial world is about to get a major upgrade. And later, we'll break down the critical U.S. tariff talks that could reshape global trade. Bangladesh prepares for a cashless revolution. Get ready for a massive leap forward in financial technology. Bangladesh Bank is on the verge of launching a revolutionary, interoperable instant payment system, poised to connect every bank, mobile financial service, microfinance institution, and even digital banks onto a single, seamless platform. This ambitious initiative, bolstered by support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, aims to drastically reduce the nation's heavy reliance on cash, which currently costs the economy billions annually in management and lost revenue. Governor Ahsan H. Mansur highlighted that this system will enable instant, anytime, anywhere money transfers between any accounts, whether mobile wallets or bank accounts. This move is not just about convenience. It's a strategic effort to combat corruption, reduce crime, and boost transparency in transactions. While past attempts faced hurdles, the central bank is optimistic this time, drawing inspiration from successful implementations in countries like Pakistan and Tanzania. With millions of mobile accounts already in play, this unified system promises to be a game-changer, accelerating the transition to a truly cashless economy and enhancing financial inclusion for those still on the fringes of the formal sector. Experts and stakeholders are hailing this as a transformative step, anticipating increased efficiency, reduced leakages in government disbursements, and a surge in innovation within the financial sector. But what does this mean for your everyday banking? And the future of digital finance is expanding, with exciting new opportunities on the horizon. Digital banking applications extended. Big news for aspiring fintech innovators and consumers alike. Bangladesh Bank has officially extended the deadline for submitting applications to establish the country's very first digital banks until November 2nd. Initially set to close at the end of September, this one-month extension gives more investors the crucial time needed to prepare their proposals for this groundbreaking, fully branchless banking model. The aim is to revolutionize financial services, making them faster and far more accessible than ever before. Remember, applicants need to submit a non-refundable processing fee of TK5 lakh, and failure to provide all required documents will lead to disqualification. The central bank has set stringent guidelines, including a significantly increased minimum paid-up capital of TK 300 crore and a mandate to launch an initial public offering within 5 years. These digital banks will operate entirely online, ditching physical branches and ATMs for a purely app-based experience, though they must adhere to the same rigorous governance and operational standards as traditional institutions. This extension is generating significant buzz, with many seeing it as a crucial step towards modernizing Bangladesh's financial landscape and fostering greater competition. But is the digital future secure? And we're tracking crucial trade talks that could impact millions of jobs. U.S. tariffs, Bangladesh RMG exporters seek answers. Crucial discussions are underway as Bangladesh's ready-made garment exporters are urgently seeking clarity from the United States on a new executive order concerning tariffs. The order allows for a potential reduction in a 20% reciprocal tariff if goods contain at least 20% U.S. origin content. This vital clarification was a key topic during a recent meeting between a U.S. Trade Representative delegation and the Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association in Dhaka. BGMEA President Mahmoud Hassan Khan Babu pressed for details on valuation and traceability mechanisms to accurately determine U.S. input. While the U.S. delegation assured that processes are being finalized, exporters are keen to understand how this will practically affect their bottom line. They are also pushing for a stacking method for duty adjustments, a facility currently only enjoyed by the EU, to better manage tariff burdens and stay competitive. Despite the existing reciprocal tariff facility, Bangladeshi exports to the U.S. still face significant effective duties, a major challenge for the industry. Exporters are hopeful for a resolution that balances trade interests and maintains Bangladesh's competitiveness in the vital U.S. market. Stay tuned for a rapid-fire recap of all today's top stories. And we'll tell you which story is already breaking the internet. All right, Scoopster fam, that's a wrap on a packed news day. We saw Bangladesh's RMG exports hit new heights. A revolutionary instant payment system is on the horizon, digital bank applications are extended, and crucial U.S. tariff talks are underway. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more exclusive updates, and hit the notification bell so you're always in the know. Let us know in the comments which story you found most impactful, and follow us on all social platforms for behind-the-scenes action and more. Thanks for watching, Scoopster.